Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Danny Vicent, and today we're going to be tackling quite a few updates to the Tesla. We went ahead and took care of the fishbowl issue. We put on the rest of those puddle lights, and we did a chrome delete. And the real question is, can I do a chrome delete? I guess we'll see. So one of the things to keep in mind if you're planning on tinting the windows in your Tesla is that the entire roof is made of glass. So you got to think of where the seams are going to go, and also, do you want the two to look a little different? I chose to tint them all. I didn't want anyone to look different from the other. I know Tesla has that tint on the top, but to make it consistent, we tinted them all. I went with the ceramic coating to reduce some of the heat on the inside, and then the chrome dip on the outside just because I like the way it looks. So why don't we head on to the garage where I'm going to try the whole DIY thing with this chrome delete kit. I'm also going to put on the carbon fiber caps on the cameras on the sides. We're going to do a little bit of wrap on the interior, change some of the aesthetics in there. I do have some more carbon fiber accessories coming for the car. I can't wait to show you those, but those are going to be in another video coming up. Let's see if we can't transform the way this looks now and get ready for that wrap and upcoming accessories. Also, if you have no clue what accessories I bought, I will link that video right here. And if you're interested in any of the stuff that I'm about to install, links down below. So we just finished up installing the carbon fiber side markers over the old chrome ones, and we're about to try to do this chrome delete. I've got a small setup here, basically a stool with a giant Tesla box and all the material laid out. I've watched the videos to install online, and they've been pretty helpful, so hopefully I do this right. The kit does come with 2 complete sets, so if you screw up one, there's a backup one. And if I'm somehow successful at doing it all in one take, I'll have a secondary set. Just a reminder, some of the tools you'll need. You'll need a heat gun, which is provided with this kit to help soften some of it. And you'll need various squeegees to help you get the wrap in some of the tighter spots. They say you can use your nails, but these are provided. I'm guessing these are going to be a little bit easier than your fingers. Now in the videos, one key thing that they had was they had their windows down when they were installing. I don't know if this was for ease of install or just so that they had a firmer grip when they were holding the door. I can't actually roll the windows down now because we just had the tint, and so for the next 3 or 4 days, I can't roll those windows down until it's completely dry. Hopefully that doesn't bite me later. All right, let's get started. So this one I think went on a lot better. Only snag was it was cut about a ½ inch long, so I actually had to take some scissors and trim the end piece. Other than that, I think this one ended up a lot cleaner. So I think this piece back here, I'm gonna end up redoing. I'm not satisfied with that corner, and it's probably gonna drive me crazy. So side 2 is going on a million times easier. Definitely practice. My suggestion, guys, if you're gonna do this on your own, is watch these videos very closely and take ample supply in the morning of patience, because you're gonna get frustrated. This side looks 100 times better than the other, so I can pretty much assure you that at some point I'll be redoing that other side with these extra pieces. guys, so we're gonna do the installation of the wrap over the gloss black here in the interior. A couple of things you'll need that are included in the packet are these little wipes. They're gonna take off any dust or particles that you have on the center console to begin with. And then you'll need a microfiber cloth to continue to get this as clean as possible. Anything that's underneath the wrap will show on the outside of the wrap. There you have it, guys. I think the car looks amazing. The question is, would I recommend doing a chrome delete yourself? Well, I guess the question really is, do you have the patience? Do you have the time? Do you have the patience? And did I mention, do you have the patience? See, if you're like me, you're gonna get frustrated. A lot. I can't even wrap a Christmas present, and now I just tried to wrap all the chrome on my car. But I'm looking at it as though I would if I were painting my house. Could I paint my house? Sure. Would a professional paint my house way better? Probably a million times so. The other question you have to ask yourself is the money one. To have the wrap professionally done, you're talking anywhere from $600, $700, $800, up to $1,000 at some shops, or less than $200 to do it yourself. I chose that route. And I think it looks pretty good. So the real question is, do you have the patience? Do you have the time? And what's your wallet look like? For me, it was worth it to give it a shot, and I think it looks pretty good, and we'll see where that takes us. Now remember, I am getting the car wrapped in about a month, so most likely that'll have to get pulled off and be redone. But in the meantime, I like it. Anyway, guys, if you like today's video, smash that thumbs up button. And if you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button as well. And that little bell icon, click that too. So you can be notified the next time we upload a video. I'll catch you in the next one.